What is the main reason for buckling up in a car? A. To protect your family and yourself. B. To prevent motion sickness. C. To look responsible. D. To stay warm. The correct answer is A. To protect your family and yourself. Who classifies major parties of the country as state parties? A. The Parliament. B. The Supreme Court. C. The Prime Minister's Office. D. The Election Commission. The correct answer is D. The Election Commission. What is crucial for girls to be empowered? A. Staying at home. B. Marrying early. C. Not going to school. D. Going to school. The correct answer is D. Going to school. What type of republic is India, according to the preamble? A. Sovereign, autocratic, religious, monarchical. B. Federal, socialist, secular, republican. C. Unitary, capitalist, secular, democratic. D. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic. The correct answer is D. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic. Who occupies the highest position in India's defense organization? A. The Minister of Defense. B. The Prime Minister. C. The President of India. D. The Chief of Army Staff. The correct answer is C. The President of India. What is an issue related to a product's stated utility? A. The product having multiple uses. B. The product being aesthetically pleasing. C. The product exceeding expectations. D. The product not having the claimed usefulness. The correct answer is D. The product not having the claimed usefulness. Who appoints the Chief Minister according to Article 164(1)? A. The Governor. B. The Prime Minister. C. The President. D. The Speaker of the Assembly. The correct answer is A. The Governor. The concept of right to hold public office is linked to which type of inequality? A. Gender inequality. B. Natural inequality. C. Man-made inequality. D. Economic inequality. The correct answer is C. Man-made inequality. What does the text suggest students find out from their homes? A. The taxes paid by their family. B. Their daily routine. C. Their favorite food. D. The history of their home. The correct answer is A. The taxes paid by their family. What type of operations does the Indian Army conduct in addition to national security? A. Agricultural development. B. Urban planning. C. Scientific research. D. Humanization rescue. The correct answer is D. Humanization rescue. What is the consequence of parking vehicles in front of rescue vehicles? A. Punishment by law and a fine. B. Community service. C. Imprisonment. D. Vehicle impoundment. The correct answer is A. Punishment by law and a fine. What became a social movement in India due to it being a land of villages? A. Expansion of national parks. B. Establishment of universities. C. Creation of village panchayats. D. Creation of industrial hubs. The correct answer is C. Creation of village panchayats. Where is the primary residence and office of the President of India located? A. New Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. The correct answer is A. New Delhi. What is one role of local self-government bodies concerning the local community? A. To conduct diplomatic relations. B. To provide services. C. To control central bank policies. D. To establish national laws. The correct answer is B. To provide services. What was considered a basic necessity of life in Gandhi's ideal self-reliant village? A. Luxury goods. B. Foreign investments. C. Clean water. D. Imported electronics. The correct answer is C. Clean water. What is the maximum time frame within which a government organization must provide information under the RTI Act? A. 30 days. B. 20 days. C. 60 days. D. 15 days. The correct answer is A. 30 days. What type of economic activity is the cotton industry? A. Secondary occupation. B. Primary occupation. C. Tertiary occupation. D. Services. The correct answer is A. Secondary occupation. Can the president be re-elected after serving a term? A. No. A president can only serve one term. B. Only if there is a special election. C. Yes, for an unlimited number of terms. D. Yes, but only for one additional term. The correct answer is C. Yes, for an unlimited number of terms. Which of the following is considered a non-military issue? A. Energy. B. Panchasheel Treaty. C. International relations. D. Demilitarization. The correct answer is A. Energy. What type of jurisdiction do the High Courts of Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras possess? A. Only appellate jurisdiction. B. Only original jurisdiction. C. Both original and appellate jurisdictions. D. Primarily advisory jurisdiction. The correct answer is C. Both original and appellate jurisdictions. Which concept is related to fixing the selling price to earn profit? A. Demand and supply. B. Exchange rate. C. Barter system. D. Knowledge of profit and loss. The correct answer is D. Knowledge of profit and loss. Who recommends the persons who can be appointed as ministers to the Governor? A. The Chief Secretary. B. The Advocate General. C. The Legislative Ministers' Assembly. D. The Chief Minister. The correct answer is D. The Chief Minister. Who does not participate in the appointment of the High Court judge? A. Chief Minister. B. Governor. C. Legislative Assembly. D. Legislative Council. The correct answer is C. Legislative Assembly. Montesquieu believed in the theory of separation of powers among which three branches of government? A. Monarchy, aristocracy, and democracy. B. Legislature, executive, and judiciary. C. Military, religious, and civilian. D. Federal, state, and local. The correct answer is B. Legislature, executive, and judiciary. Tertiary activities provide services that help people fulfill what? A. Their daily needs. B. Their entertainment desires. C. Their dreams. D. Their political ambitions. The correct answer is A. Their daily needs. In which country did the term pressure groups originate? A. India. B. UK. C. USA. D. France. The correct answer is C. USA. When was the tricolor flag accepted as the national flag by the Constitutional Assembly? A. 22nd July 1947. B. 2nd October 1947. C. 26th January 1950. D. 15th August 1947. The correct answer is A. 22nd July 1947. When is it permissible to turn left on a red signal? A. If not prohibited by a sign. B. Never. C. Always. D. Only if the light is flashing. The correct answer is A. If not prohibited by a sign. What kind of monitoring does the Raksha Safe Drive device perform related to the vehicle's mechanics? A. Encroachment removal. B. Soil hoarding detection. C. Pedestrian way maintenance. D. Engine health monitoring. The correct answer is D. Engine health monitoring. Who constitutes the government in union territories? A. Only the Chief Minister. B. Elected representatives from political parties. C. Governor, Chief Minister, and all ministers. D. Members of Parliament only. The correct answer is C. Governor, Chief Minister, and all ministers. How did you score?